Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install the Microsoft Edge browser on your XIAOMI Poco F4 GT. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and here search for an app. Write Microsoft Edge. And hit the search button. Now select this app and install it. After our installation process is complete, we can open the app and from here start customizing it. So the first option is to log in or sign up to Microsoft Edge account, and then you'll be able to sync other devices that are using the same app. But I'm not gonna do that, I'm gonna do it later. And from here you can also enable or disable that sharing data preferences with Microsoft. If you want, you can enable it. If you don't want it, you can disable it. I'm gonna disable it and then confirm. From here, the last option is to set Microsoft Edge as your default browser. So I'm going with it. Yes, let's do it. From here, select Browser app and click on the Edge browser. If we go back, our browser will be ready and it's set as default right now. So every website should open with this browser. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.